Okay, ingredients for a nice hot garlic sauce. I'm going to make around half a liter of hot garlic sauce here. Around 200 grams of chopped onions, 100 grams of green onions chopped, 50 grams of garlic, 30 grams of chopped green chilies, 50 grams of red chili paste. Now, if you like less spice, then you can add like 30 grams of the red chili paste. Tomato sauce, 100 ml. Sugar, a tablespoon, and around 200 ml of oil. Okay, I got around 2 pounds of chicken wings here. It's easy ways to like either fry or bake them as it is, but for my dish, which I like to call Lollipop or the drums of heaven, I'm gonna show you the wings. Like there's the drumstick part of it and the winglet part of it, how to prepare them. So drumstick is quite easy. Look for the shorter side and slightly use a sharp knife and score all the meat and the skin down to the other end, so that you have something which you can use the back side of your knife to stretch it out. So the end result is something like that. And this is a little tricky. You have 2 bones here. You should select the bone which is thinner one, because you're gonna kind of break it out. So first we disconnect this joint with a sharp knife there. Sorry. There's some cartilage in there. Now I got the bone. See, there's a small bone there. And what I'm going to do is hold it like this, and I slowly twist it around. And here comes the bone. No flesh on it. It goes in the garbage. And this now is the winglet part of it. I'm going to do the same thing, scrape the flesh down, so that I have a perfect looking drumstick. It takes around 30 seconds to 45 seconds to do one, but it's worth the effort. Thanks guys. We'll prepare the batter for the frying. We'll start with 50 grams of maida. So this batter should be sufficient for like a pound of wings. So I'm gonna put in around 50 grams of maida. That's like 50 there. Then comes in around 25 grams of corn flour. So it's like roughly 1:2, you could say. Okay, there's our corn flour in there, and 25 grams. Okay, that's good. Then comes red chili paste, 5 grams. I'm using the same spoon, it's fine. Okay, 5 grams of chili paste. As I said before, if you feel it's too hot, you can reduce the quantity of chili paste you're using. That's our 5 grams over there. 5 grams of ginger garlic paste. I already got the paste ready. It's better to use make your own ginger garlic paste. The flavor is much better rather than using ready-made paste. That's our 5 grams of ginger garlic paste. That will take a little. Yeah, that's a little much. That's good now. That's about 5 grams there. Then around 5 grams of chopped green chilies. If you have the time for it, you can remove the seeds, but I don't mind the seeds. I like it a little spicy. So that's my 5 grams there. Okay, that should be good. Then I'm going to add red color. If you want, you can add red color. I'm not using red color because my chilies are sharp and good. They have good color, so that should take care of that. A pinch of sugar. 5 grams of chopped green onions. That should be roughly this. Right, and salt to taste. Let's add a salt. Okay, that's salt. And before I forget, for an added twist, 5 grams of chopped celery. Mix it well. Add half an egg, a little water, and make this into a thick batter. Now the batter is ready, and I've mixed all the wings into it. I'm going to fry it. Oil is hot. Ideally 350 degree Fahrenheit, which should be good for deep frying. I'm going to drop in the pieces one by one. Oh, this is pretty hot. I'm going to reduce the flame a bit. Yeah, I don't want it to burn it. So if you see, I'm like putting the batter around, making it into a clump and dropping it one by one. That's what I'm doing. So this is 1 pound here. I've not added food color to it. Yeah, you can add a little red color, which adds, so it's great eye appeal when there is some red color added. And then reduce the flame further. That's one more. And good. Okay, now our wings are done. They're golden brown, crunchy and nice. Yeah, I'm gonna take them out and drain them in on kitchen paper. After this, we do our sauce. We're gonna toss this around. I'm gonna do only 250 ml of sauce. I gave you the recipe for half a liter, but I'll do 250 ml of sauce. I'm gonna toss these wings, and the remaining sauce will be served as a dip, and you can keep it in the refrigerator for later use. Okay, now we'll start with the sauce. I got oil in a wok, around 100 ml of oil in there. I'm gonna start with, so as I said before, I'm gonna do only 250 ml of sauce. I'm gonna start with around 100 grams of the onions. So you'll be wondering why there is a lot of oil. So why I use extra oil is, like, once the sauce is done, I drain up that oil, and that oil I use for doing fried rice, which gives a great flavor to the rice. I'm gonna give it a little stir. After which, stir it is very possible. These take a little while. That's why I prefer a commercial kitchen always. So now I'm gonna add in the garlic, 25 grams of garlic. And 15 grams of green chilies. Hold one out for the other. And once these are soft, I'll add the green onions. Now the onions and onion, ginger, garlic are soft. I'm going to add in the green onions. That's around 50 grams of chopped green onions. They cook very fast. Once they leave the moisture, I want to start with the red chili paste. I measured and kept 25 grams of red chili paste. Goes into the sauce. Once the chili paste cooks, be a little smoky at this point. The eyes might burn. I'm gonna add the sugar. I like to add the sugar before the tomato sauce, so a little caramelizing happens. Half a tablespoon of sugar. Now the salt to taste. I would say this might need around 3 grams of salt. And then goes in the ketchup or the tomato sauce. I got around 50 ml of tomato sauce here. I let all these mix together. If you feel it's burning or it's crackling, it won't, because we added sufficient amount of oil, but still that happens, or stuff sticks to the side. You can add a little water. Wash everything down in the middle of the pan. Let it boil. And once it boils through, your sauce is ready. After this, I'm going to drain off the excess oil, keep it aside for my rice dish. Remove some of the sauce for dip and toss the ready wings into the sauce. This is ready. I have removed half of the sauce for using as a dip, and now I'm going to put the wings or the lollipop into the sauce. Give it a nice tossed coat, and we go for the plating. Okay guys, here you go. Delicious drums of heaven is ready. Enjoy guys, thank you.